up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I know it's a stressful time together. We all are stuck at home and trying to make the best use of this time. So much is happening all around the world that we have not at all seen in the past. And during this time, we need to ensure that we keep our body much stronger and we keep our immune system very strong such that it can fight against any deadly virus and disease. And today in this video I brought 10 things that you can do to boost your immunity and fight against this coronavirus. So I really hope that you'll find this video helpful and you'll enjoy watching this video. So yeah, let's begin.
So the first thing that I pick here is getting enough sleep. Now sleep and immunity, they are closely tied together. In fact, if your sleep is not adequate, then your body is more acceptable to sickness. So do try to get at least 6 to 8 hours of sound sleep every night. Take sufficient rest and strengthen your natural immunity, because you must have noticed that when you are sick but take proper rest and sleep, then it allows your immune system to fight the illness and also you recover much faster.
Now the next thing that will genuinely boost your immunity against all possible viruses is having a herbal tea daily in the morning. Start your mornings with a turmeric herbal tea. So if you're making for 2 persons, I simply take 2 cups of water. Add all these ingredients. I add ginger, dalchini, tulsi and turmeric. If you wish, you can add some sugar as well as per the taste. Then add some green tea and cover and leave it for 5 minutes. After setting it for 5 to 10 minutes, just transfer it in a cup with 1 teaspoon of honey and squeeze half a lemon and simply sip it off. Improve your mood, reduce anxiety, lower the quarantine stress and boost your immunity. My next immune booster here is eating around 4 to 6 almonds daily in the morning. It is a way to healthy immune system because almonds are packed with vitamins, especially vitamin E and healthy fats, and you will double the benefits of these almonds when you soak it overnight, peel it off and then eat. After that, the next thing that you must not miss out to keep yourself strengthened from within is engaging in moderate exercises daily in the morning or evenings. Moderate workouts will give a boost to your internal body immune system by regenerating your immune cells regularly. So you can just take a brisk walk, do some cycling, jog, skip or do some aerobics exercise and workouts. Now the next very basic thing is something that we all are already following. It is maintaining sanitization, washing our hands properly, using mask sanitizers. We all are doing this. So I'll just show you how you can keep your market brought vegetables and fruits more safer. So clean them normally with plain water and rinse them 4 to 5 times, and after that just soak them in warm water for 10 minutes. I have put around half teaspoon of baking soda in this warm water and then I'll be soaking it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, just take them out, wipe them off and store normally in your refrigerator. They are ready to be used. Next, I would recommend you to include lemons, oranges and other citrus fruits in your diet. They are very rich in vitamin C. They increase the production of white blood cells and that is the key to fighting infections and thus building a better immune system. After that, I would also tell you to include papaya and kiwi in your diet. Papaya is another fruit that is loaded with vitamin C and are also very good for digestion. Plus, kiwi are naturally loaded with tons of essential nutrients, especially vitamin K and vitamin C, and they are really very effective. Again, also don't miss to add curd or any probiotic supplements in your daily meals, because the cultures in the curd, they stimulate your immune system to fight against any diseases, and they also are a great source of vitamin D that helps in defending your body against diseases again. Then tea is something that we all love and sip every day, anytime, anywhere. But during this time of coronavirus, we should try to ensure that we add some special ingredients to it, like some chopped ginger and sprinkle some pepper in the tea. They not only add taste to it, but they even help in fighting against cold, flu, virus and even boosting your immunity. And last but not the least, drink a glass of turmeric milk daily before your sleep. Since years, turmeric is being used as an anti-inflammatory to treat all internal body pains and keep you strengthened from within. So now when your body needs it the most, don't sacrifice on it.
Although none of these tips will help in preventing coronavirus, but yes, they will strengthen your internal body system and make your defense system so strong that you will be able to fight against all any harmful pathogens. So my intention for this video was to help you inspire to stay fit and healthy, and I hope that you found this video helpful for you. If it was, do give a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.